Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Tufail bin Amr Dosi radiyallahu anhu entered the presence of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and submitted, O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, do you need any impregnable fort and a secured place? Hazrat Jabir radiyallahu anhu says that Hazrat Tufail radiyallahu anhu during ignorance period had a fort of the Taus tribe. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam refused, for Allah Jalla Jalaluhu had destined this virtue for the helpers. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam emigrated to Medina Munawwara, Hazrat Tufail bin Amr Dosi also emigrated to Medina Munawwara along with one of his people. Hazrat Tufail's companion became ill, and when the disease crossed the limits of his patience, he cut off the knuckles with the head of a long arrow, which caused his both hands to bleed, and it ultimately affected his death. Hazrat Tufail radiyallahu anhu saw him in good state in a vision, but he had covered his hands. Hazrat Tufail radiyallahu anhu asked, What did your Lord do to you? He replied, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardoned me on account of my immigration to his Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Tufail radiyallahu anhu asked, Why have you covered your hands? He replied that he was told, We will not put right what you have impaired yourself. Hazrat Tufail radiyallahu anhu narrated this dream to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam hearing it said, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, pardon his hands as well. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 307.